Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is parts of speech. Now the question arises that what is a parts of speech? It's very simple. Whenever we speak or write, we use different kinds of words, right? So these words are called as parts of our speech. Clear? It's very simple. The words are called as the parts of our speech. And it is divided into 8 parts. What are these 8 parts of speech? We will discuss now. Okay? The parts of speech, the 8 parts of speech are like this: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay? If someone asks you that how many kinds of parts of speech are there, what will you say? That there are 8 parts of speech, and they are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now the question will come, what is a noun? What is a pronoun? So now we will discuss all of the parts of speech in detail. Okay? The first part of speech is known as noun. Noun is a naming word. It may be a name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. Any names. Okay? So these are known as nouns. The naming words of what? Of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea is known as a noun. For example, Mayuri is a good girl. Mayuri is the name of a person. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the name of a place. I saw a cow. Cow is the name of an animal. Give me your pencil box. Pencil box is the name of a thing. Then I am happy. So happy is also a name of an idea. Okay? Now are you clear with the noun? Now come to the second parts of speech, which is known as pronoun. The word pronoun, it suggests that pro means in place of. So instead of, that means a word that is used instead of a noun is known as a pronoun. For example, Ram is a student. Ram goes to school. So we cannot repeat the word Ram all the time. So what we can do? Instead of the word Ram, we will use the word he. Okay? So the word he will be the pronoun. So the words like he, she, I, etc. are known as pronoun. Clear? Now the third form of parts of speech is known as adjective. An adjective is what? It describes or qualifies about a noun or a pronoun. For example, she is a beautiful girl. Here, the word beautiful is an adjective as it qualifies about the pronoun she. Okay? Then, Rita is an intelligent student. Ritam is an intelligent student. Here, Ritam is the noun and intelligent is the adjective. Intelligent qualifies the noun Ritam. So, are you clear with the word adjective? That it describes about noun or a pronoun. Now come to the fourth part of speech, which is known as verb. Very simple. Verb is what? It is an action, or it is a word that denotes an action of or state of being or having. For example, he plays football. Play is a verb. I have a car. Have is a verb. She kicked the ball. Kick is the verb. Like this, any action of state of having performed something, doing something, these are known as verb. Okay. Then comes another part of speech which is known as adverb. Now, what is an adverb? Adverb is a word that modifies or describes how, where, when an action took place. For example, she is very intelligent. Here, the word intelligent is an adjective, but the word very is the adverb. That means it modifies the word adjective intelligent. And what is the word that it modifies? That very. She is how much intelligent? She is very intelligent. She is not less intelligent, she is very intelligent. So very is the adverb. He sings softly. Softly is the adverb. It shows how an action is done. Okay. Then we have different kind of words like slowly, very, now, so, if, though. All these words suggest an adverb. Next comes another parts of speech that is known as preposition. So what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Preposition, that means the word pre suggests the before something. Okay. For example, the cat is under the table. Here the word under is the preposition as it is placed before the noun table. Alright. Then another example is father is not at home. Home is the noun and the preposition is the word at. He told everything about you. About is the preposition. So the words like above, around, behind, all these things suggest the preposition. Okay. Come to another parts of speech that is known as conjunction. Conjunction. So the word con means together and junction means to join. So what idea comes to your mind? That conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. Conjunction is what? That joins. It joins words or sentences. For example, Rita and Gita are sisters. Here two words are joined by the conjunction and. Another example, work hard or you will fail. So or is also a conjunction. So the words like and, but, neither, nor, all these words are known as conjunction. Here it's very easy. The parts of speech are very easy, but you have to know it properly. And the last part of speech is known as interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses sudden feeling or emotions. Sudden feelings. For example, hooray, alas, all these words are known as interjection. Inter means into, jection means throwing something. That means throwing your emotions through these words like hooray, bravo, oh, all this. So this is the last parts of speech that is known as interjection. So are you clear with all the parts of speech? If you have any doubts, you may ask me in the comment section.